Hello students, welcome once again in our English grammar class. Till here we have studied verb and today we are going to study adverb. Adverb. The word adverb means addition to a verb, or an adverb is a word that qualifies or adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. क्रिया विशेषण वह शब्द है जो किसी क्रिया विशेषण की विशेषता को बताता है. Example, Mary sings sweetly. So sweetly is an adverb. Sita writes badly. So badly is an adverb. She ran fast. So fast is an adverb. Priya acted wisely. So wisely is an adverb. We can make some other sentences by changing adverb from adjective. For examples, Mary is a sweet girl and she sings sweetly. So students, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ हमने adjective से adverb को ly लगाकर बनाया है. सीता is a bad writer and she writes badly. सीता एक bad writer है और वह बहुत badly तरीके से लिखती है. She was fast runner and she ran fast. Priya is a wise girl and she acted wisely. There is no need for fastly because fast is both adjective and adverb also. Students, generally adverbs are formed by adding ly, by changing e to y to illy, ic to ica in the last of the adjectives. There are many exceptions. Beautiful, beautifully. Slow, slowly. Serious, seriously. Careless, carelessly. Terrible, terribly. Reliable, reliably. Happy, happily. Logic, logically. Economic, economically. Firstly, students, we are taking simple adverbs. In simple adverbs are the adverbs that add to the meaning of a verb in a simple manner. They tell time, place, manner, frequency or degrees etc. of an action. It means यह क्रिया में साधारण तरीके से अर्थ को जोड़ देते हैं. In simple adverb, there are four types of adverb. Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency. So students, let's study adverb in detail. First, adverb of time. समय के बारे में बताने वाले. My boss will come tomorrow. Students, here it's informing time, which is that tomorrow. So tomorrow is an adverb of time. I will complete my project soon. Soon is an adverb of time. I have not heard such a thing before. Before is an adverb of time. I have already had tea. Already is an adverb of time. Do it right now. Now is an adverb of time. So next, adverb of place, which means स्थान के बारे में बताने वाले. Sit down, students. So here it is informing down. So down is an adverb of place. Please come soon. Soon is an adverb of place. She came here. Here is an adverb of place. My father is out. Out is an adverb of place. Don't come near me. Near is an adverb of place. Next is adverb of manner, which means manner को inform करने वाले adverb. Examples, drive the car carefully. Speak gently to others. So gently is an adverb of manner. She talks sweetly. Sweetly is an adverb of manner. My brother writes neatly. Neatly is an adverb of manner. He acted well. Well is an adverb of manner. In all these above sentences, we are showing manner. Therefore, we say it adverb of manner. Next is adverb of frequency, which means बारंबारता को बताने वाले adverb. इसका मतलब होता है कोई कार्य जब बार बार हो रहा हो तब हम उसे adverb of frequency कहते हैं. Examples, He seldom comes to meet me. वह कभी कभी मुझसे मिलने आता है. So seldom is an adverb of frequency. I take milk twice in a day. मैं दिन में 2 बार दूध लेती हूँ. So twice is an adverb of frequency. Please do not repeat it again. So repeat is an adverb of frequency. I often go to her house. Often is an adverb of frequency. We should always speak truth. Always is an adverb of frequency. Next is adverb of cause and effect. The adverb that has a sense of effect or cause is called adverb of cause and effect. जिस adverb के प्रभाव से या कारण का बोध हो उन्हें हम adverb of cause and effect कहते हैं. Like why क्यों, thus इस प्रकार, so इसलिए, therefore इसलिए. So now we are making some other sentences from about the words. First, he therefore lost his job. इसीलिए उसकी जॉब छूट गई. I was tired so I went home. मैं बहुत थकी हुई थी इसी कारण से मैं home चली गई. I wonder why she didn't come. The guard fell asleep, thus allowing the thieves to escape. So students, in this video we have studied types of adverb, which are adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency. So children, here we have completed our adverb, and next video we will study adjective. So revise it repeatedly. Till then, take care and have a good day.